gonna get it or not.
Under one there.
Well, there's basically a lot under the bushes. Soon our bag's gonna be full. I mean, there's a load more than 3. 2 more cigarettes. Actually, 3 cigarettes. Daddy, am I allowed to pick up cigarettes? And there's also cigarettes on these stuff. There's literally another one. It can't be used, but it can't be used because
one rubbish is in.
I mean,
brown.
if there was a still okay clip, then we could use it to help pick up the rubbish. But if it's broken, then we can't. I've pulled it in right with it.
The ground, but it's an all kind of. Look at that.
Squashed. This could be a natural routine, you know. You don't walk across, man. Walk across. Here. I don't know why this is going to go in my hand. It's still full of stuff. Wait, can we get? Then we can recycle.
There are lots of things which can be made into like one.
Gideon, stop racing ahead, you know. Doesn't work. Do. Oh, finally. A piece of squashed can and rubbish. Where's the can of rubbish? Oh, there. How many? More than. Here. Another can. Oh. And then a plastic can probably was for fruit. I mean, this bit is quite dirty. I'm just going to cross the edges of the road. The door of the bathroom.